This is an upper body assisted suspension lunge. What we're doing here is we're using suspension bands to allow our upper body to help pull us up a little bit in this lunge here. So you're going to have your good lunge stance like you normally have. So when you step back, check your feet, make sure your feet are parallel, including the back foot. Use a mirror or friend to check your back foot and make sure that that heel is parallel with the front foot. And that as you bend your knees, the knees are going to be in line with the middle of each respective foot, including that back foot there. It's common for us to have the back heel turned out a little bit and the knee caved in. That's training a misalignment that's going to hurt you. So we want to keep this back heel out, knee out over that back foot, including the front foot as well. Front foot is straight forward and knees over that foot. Use these suspension bands then at that point to help give you some support as you lower down, using your legs as much as you can, but using the upper body to take over where you need to. So this is going to allow you to do a lunge, and if you have trouble doing lunge with a bodyweight lunge. So you're using our upper body here to help pull you up through the lunge there. So this is your upper body assisted suspension lunge.